Welcome to the top best. The best 30-amp plug is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in any electrical setup, especially when dealing with high-demand appliances like RVs, welders, or electric vehicle chargers. Ensuring you have the right plug is crucial for safety, efficiency, and preventing potential hazards, as a faulty or incompatible plug can lead to overheating, power loss, or even fire. Number 5. MICTUNING 125V 30-amp heavy-duty RV replacement plug. Introducing a heavy-duty replacement plug, rated at 125V and 30A. It's perfect for your RV, motorhome, or camper, designed to replace old or worn-out plugs. This plug features well-conductive copper pins and a flame-retardant ABS plastic housing. It includes a strain relief clip and bushing for a stable and safer wire connection. Replacing your old plug is easy with our clear instructions. Even beginners can install it quickly and efficiently within minutes. The ergonomic handle on the back makes plugging and unplugging effortless. It's designed to save you physical strength during use. You'll receive one 30-amp RV plug and clear installation instructions. We also provide 100% satisfaction customer service for any issues. What we like. This plug is built for extreme durability and ease of use. Its ergonomic handle makes plugging and unplugging a breeze, even in tight spots. If you're looking for a reliable replacement for your RV's worn-out plug that's simple to install, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. Installed myself. Good quality. Labeled on inside. Easy take apart. Easy install. Once screwed closed it won't come apart without unscrewing. I wired the plug to my camper and have had it plugged up outside for a couple months. Now it is working as suspected, and it is keeping the weather out. This product is very well made and very well priced. The 3-finger holes are excellent to easily disconnect from outlet. Number 4. 30-amp RV plug set with pull handle. This kit includes both the male and female 30-amp plugs, ready for immediate use. It allows for a quick replacement or upgrade of your RV's power cord connection, providing everything you need for a full swap. Featuring a sturdy pull handle, these plugs offer an easy and firm grip. This design is especially helpful in challenging campground conditions or low light, preventing struggles with tight or slippery connections. Constructed with high-temperature ABS and solid copper terminals, this set is built to handle RV power load safely. It's designed to resist overheating, melting, or deforming, ensuring durability and reliability. These plugs are designed to work seamlessly with standard 30-amp shore power cords for most travel trailers, fifth wheels, and motorhomes. They serve as a universal replacement for any worn or damaged plugs. Installation is straightforward thanks to clear labeling and instructions, making it simple for beginners. It's an ideal solution for replacing damaged plugs or creating a custom power cord. What we like. This set offers a complete solution with both male and female plugs, perfect for a full cord upgrade or replacement. The ergonomic pull handle ensures a firm grip in any condition. If you need a comprehensive and robust solution for your RV's power connection, especially if you're dealing with frequent use or challenging environments, this kit is ideal. What people say. I've been using these RV male and female connectors for a while now, and so far, they've held up without any issues. Installation was straightforward, and the fit is snug enough to avoid any accidental disconnects. I've used them in both dry and humid Louisiana conditions, and they haven't shown any signs of corrosion or overheating. Number 3. Camco 55242 30-amp power grip plug. Meet the 30-amp replacement plug from Camco. It's designed for durability and built with quality materials. This plug is constructed from high-quality, long-lasting materials. You can rely on its robust build for your power needs. Featuring convenient power grip handles, connecting and disconnecting is a breeze. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable and secure grip. For optimal performance and safety, please refer to the manufacturer's recommendations. This ensures you get the most out of its features. This is your dependable solution for 30-amp power connections. It's the perfect replacement plug for your existing setup. What we like. Designed with user convenience in mind, this plug features power grip handles for effortless connection. It's constructed from quality, durable materials to ensure longevity. If you prioritize ease of handling and a straightforward, reliable 30-amp replacement, this option is a solid pick. What people say. Easy to make connections due to well-designed clamps with good space for the wires. The cable clamp is robust and set back from the pins, making it easy to assemble once connections are made. This plug is very well made and easy to install. It is especially helpful to be able to move the prongs to install the wiring. Good and solid with plenty of room inside to spread and connect the thick conductors. And the built-in handle makes it much easier to connect and disconnect the plug, particularly in cold weather. Number 2. Ficstar 30-amp RV Shore Power Inlet. Introducing the Ficstar 30-amp RV Shore Power Inlet, designed for your peace of mind. It provides a safe and dependable connection for your RV's power needs. This inlet is ETL certified, ensuring it meets rigorous safety standards. You can trust its reliability for your family's use. Installation is a breeze with its easy-to-wire terminals. The secure twist-lock design ensures a firm connection every time. Featuring a durable, heavy-duty construction and a waterproof cover, it's built to protect against rain, snow, and heat. The NEMA L5-30P twist-lock mechanism ensures a secure fit, preventing any looseness or wobbling for optimal performance. With its robust build and quality certifications, this power inlet is made to last. Enjoy confident and worry-free RVing. What we like. This Shore Power Inlet boasts authoritative ETL certification for safety and reliability. Its twist-lock design ensures a secure connection, and the weatherproof cover protects against the elements. If you need a safe, durable, and weather-resistant inlet for your RV, especially for permanent installations or areas prone to harsh weather, this is a great option. What people say. The plug is well made and feels very sturdy. It fits perfectly into the outlet and provides a secure connection. The design is simple and functional, making it easy to use. Number 1. Podoy RV 30-amp Power Inlet L5-30R. Ensures secure electrical connections with this ETL certified power inlet. Its robust 30A125V design handles high power demands, while corrosion-resistant contacts ensure stable performance even in wet conditions. This all-in-one kit includes a 30-amp power inlet receptacle and a female twist locking connector. It also comes with a weatherproof boot and locking ring for secure connections. Designed for the outdoors, it features a heavy-duty waterproof boot and locking ring to keep moisture and dust out. The rugged housing resists UV rays and corrosion, perfect for boats and campsites. Installation is a breeze with clear instructions and color-coded wires. Standard screw terminals make for a hassle-free DIY setup, saving you time and effort. This power inlet is widely compatible with RVs, trailers, boats, campers, and more. It's suitable for both indoor and outdoor use with various transfer switches and panels. What we like. This kit provides an ETL certified, twist locking connector with a weatherproof boot, ensuring secure and stable connections in harsh outdoor conditions. It's an all-in-one solution for RVs, boats, and more. If you require a highly durable, weatherproof, and safe power inlet for marine or long-term outdoor use, this comprehensive kit is perfectly suited for your needs. What people say. Since I've replaced the original connector on my boat with those, I don't have any more problem with bad connection and electrical arc that would burn my cable. Very well made, fit perfectly and way cheaper than West Marine to do the same job. When installing female connector to your wall on RV camper, apply some silicone gasket material to backside so you have a new seal. When rewiring male connector, make certain your wires go on the correct spades. Kit does come with instructions as well. Easy setup as it took me under an hour to install. Great kit. Using it to retrofit my ambulance RV build. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.